In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. A purchase order is your formal request to a vendor for goods or services. It helps you lock in quantities and prices, and later it makes converting to a bill quick and accurate. We'll walk through creating one in Google Chrome, sending it, and tracking it through to a bill. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online using Chrome. Chrome tends to offer the smoothest experience, so make sure your browser is up to date. Once you're in, confirm you're in the correct company file and you have a stable connection so your changes save properly. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel. Click Expenses, then choose Purchase Orders. This takes you to a list of all your purchase orders where you'll see their dates, vendors, amounts, and statuses. It's the central hub for everything we'll do today. Select New Purchase Order. A blank purchase order form opens. At the top, choose your vendor. When you pick a vendor that already exists in your vendor list, QuickBooks will automatically fill in details like the mailing address and terms, which helps prevent typos. Check the ship to details to make sure the destination is correct if you receive items at a specific location. Verify the date and the purchase order number. QuickBooks can auto-number this for you. Now add the items you're ordering. Use the product service field to select what you need from your existing list, then enter the quantity and rate. As you add lines, the amount and subtotal will update. If you need to clarify anything for your vendor, use the description field on each line or add a memo at the bottom. Review any tax selections if they apply to your purchase, and give everything a final scan to make sure quantities, prices, and totals look right. When you're ready, click Save and Send. You'll see an email preview with a PDF of the purchase order. You can customize the message so your vendor knows timelines or special instructions. If you're not ready to send, you can simply save and come back later. After sending, return to the purchase orders list to track status. You'll see which orders are open, partially received, or closed. When the goods arrive and it's time to record the cost, open the related purchase order and choose the option to create a bill from it. QuickBooks will pull in the vendor, items, and quantities, so you only need to confirm what you received and save. This links the bill back to the purchase order, keeps quantities in sync, and avoids double entry. That's it. Log in, create the purchase order, send it, and track it through to a bill. Thanks for watching.